Kumakain sila. Ha? Masarap ba yung ice cream mo? Ha? Let me see.
Wow, it's very nice.
Free food siya, you know. Busog na siya. $89. Tupperware. Oh guys, may Tupperware dito oh, sa Costco. $89. Guys, ito bisikleta oh. 549.99. North Track. Maganda kaya itong bisikletang ito. Ayan si Super Iman oh. Mukhang gusto niyang bumili ah.
Is
Ah?
everything made in China in Canada?
Ayun oh, may double disc pa siya.
Answer.
Ah?
Is everything made in China?
Kung sale ito, kung may discount to, bibilhin ko ito.
Made in China.
Free food kami oh, Welch's. Kakain si Super Iman. Wow. Ako rin kukuha. Yun oh.
That's good.
Free food siya ha. Only at Costco. Ito may free food din. Pupunta kami si Iman. Gugiwan Iman. Emmanuel, organic guacamole with fry. Come on. Try it Iman. Yun, gugi yours Iman. Tatag. Kain kami ng print. Dito na kami maglalunch. Punta rito ng tanghali oh. Dito ka naman nananghalian. Food attack ito ah. Tikman ko nga. Okay yours. Makain sila. Ha? Mukhang mura yung cucumber oh. Mura ngayon guys. $3.90 na lang. Bibili kami ng marami ngayon. Cucumber. Okay yours Iman.
Sorry.
Naibos.
Okay, I have lots.
Ayos ah. Masarap ba yung ice cream mo? Ha? Let me see.
Wow, it's very nice.
Free food siya, you know. Busog na siya.